G'day guys, welcome back to the Devin Too Good Investing channel. Today was a crazy day in the Chinese market. You should see how much some of these Chinese stocks went up. So today we got Alibaba, it went up 27% on the Hong Kong exchange. If we flip over, we got Tencent, it went up 23% just today. Prosus. So Prosus owns a bunch of Tencent stock. Prosus is a holding company. It trades on the Amsterdam exchange and it went up, well, it's up 20% right now. The market, it looks like it's open at the moment over in Amsterdam. JD.com went up 7% yesterday, but in pre-market, it's up 21%. What about Pinduoduo? It was up about 7% yesterday, but in pre-market, it's up 33.76%, which is just insane. Then Baidu stock, it went up 20%. Not quite as much as some of the others, but man, 20%, that's one big jump. One huge big jump. So you're probably wondering why these stocks went up so much today. And Chinese stocks finally got some good news. So Chinese and US regulators are progressing towards a cooperation plan on US listed Chinese stocks, state media said, citing a financial stability meeting Wednesday chaired by Vice Premier Liu He. The Chinese government continues to support various kinds of businesses' overseas listings, the state media report said in Chinese, translated by CNBC. The article said regulators should complete as soon as possible the crackdown on Chinese platform companies. So what does this mean for Alibaba and other Chinese stocks? Well, honestly, these are just words at the moment and we need to see these things come into action. However, it does look like Chinese regulators are trying to work with US regulators to prevent Chinese US listed stocks from getting delisted. And all in one, that kind of sort of lowers the VIE risk at the same time, because if the Chinese and the US can agree on some reasonable terms, well, then not only does that lower the delisting risk, in my opinion, it also has the consequence of lowering the VIE risk, at least in the foreseeable future. The Chinese have already came out and said that they don't see themselves invalidating the VIE structure. I personally believe this would be very much against their best interests, and it would be very much against the best interests for everyone. It would just be a lose-lose situation all round. So it's really hard for them to see them doing that. But it looks like hopefully that something will be resolved sooner rather than later. It's really been a lot of uncertainty that's driven these stocks down, and we've got a little bit of clarity here that they are working towards a solution, hence the huge rise in stocks. But guys, that's probably the news right here. Honestly, there wasn't much to it, but at the same time, it was still big news. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.